Hi friends, using WordPress, we can create stunning websites in no time without having any specific technical knowledge. We have seen hundreds of themes and resources on this channel, and I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. In this video, we are targeting a website for handyman services. So if you are targeting a website for repair services like car repair services or the electrical service repairing centers or services or AC repair services. So summers are on and AC repair service business is on boom. So this is a website for AC repair service. So if you are targeting any such website, watch this video until end, and the theme that we are going to use and overview is named as PixFix, and it is a dedicated theme for handyman services. And the most amazing thing about this theme, it is available just for $19 through the video description link, and it is a new theme and it came into existence last month only, and I'm happy to record this video as it is a very suitable theme for the purpose. Let us proceed to our installation. I have this fresh installation of WordPress core and fresh, so you can use WordPress Softaculous Manager, and that is available on cPanel hostings. You can simply avail the hosting through the WP Themes website. Again, you have to follow the video description link. You can simply install the WordPress core using WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and I have already did this. So our website is looking like this with the default WordPress theme 2024. PixFix that we are going to use for this target website, car repair services or the electric repair services or the AC repair services. The three websites we can target: car repair, electronic repair, or the AC repair with this theme. To proceed with the installation, we can simply get the theme through the video description link, and in the theme pack I have this some bundled plugins are here like advanced custom fields and PixFix core is here. Sample data is also included in different formats, and this is the installable theme file and the child theme file. So we are going to use this installable theme file. To proceed with the installation, we can simply head to the appearance section and open themes area. We can add new theme here, upload theme, just choose the installable theme file here and not the complete folder, of course. So simply click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds in installing theme, and let us see how much time it takes actually. So you have to follow all the steps that I am showing you, and before deciding this theme or any other theme, you have to watch the complete overview video. There are hundreds of themes available on this channel. As I said, the other resources for WordPress website. Without understanding the theme functionality and features and what is available inside the theme, you should not go with this theme or any other theme. Theme has been installed successfully. We can go to the theme page, and further, this is the theme here along with the default theme. And to check the details, this is very first version of PixFix. So I must tell you, this theme has been developed by RR Devs, and the theme is actually new. It has got only few number of sales, but it is of course recently updated. This is a new theme, and we can opt in this theme just for $19 through the video description link. Okay, so what is based in the buying theme through the video description link? Once you buy the theme, you can simply join the iCreate program, and with the help of WordPress mentors like Mentor, you can connect with a mentor. You can complete your website with all supports without paying any fee. So this is a good thing, and let us proceed for further. Now I'm going to activate this theme, and upon activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality of this thing. PixFix core is here. Elementor is the page builder that has been used. Yes, it is good. Advanced Custom Field Pro along with the Elementor is a very good technical combination. Breadcrumb is here, and the contact form 7. Kirke is the framework that has been used, and one-click demo import for importing demo content, the WP Classic editor, and a MailChimp for WordPress. Okay, all great plugins. 3 have been marked as required. Rest are recommended only. But yes, To get the optimal feature, we have to install all these plugins. So I have selected all plugins and will try to install all plugins in a single attempt. If it works, it will install all the listed plugins here. Somehow, if it does not work, we have to install the plugins one by one by following this install link, and that may also go fine. So it totally depends on your the hosting configuration with the theme, creator connections, and also depending factors, so how it works. But I am showing you all the steps, exactly what I am following and what I am facing, so that you may get a complete idea how easily you can create a website using this PixFix WordPress theme. Okay, so advanced custom field failed to install, and even there is a critical error type thing, but yes, we can simply go back and we'll try to install ACF. And okay, so it is not working, not a worry. We can check with this, and this is also bringing some C URL. These two plugins are already available in the theme pack, so we can go with the rest of the plugins by installing one by one. And if we can complete all these rest plugins, we can install these two plugins by using the plugin files that is available in the theme pack itself. So I'm going to install rest of the plugins except these two. PixFix Core and Elementor Page Builder had been installed, so I'm going to install rest of the plugins. We'll try to install rest of the plugins in a single attempt again, and while I have selected the rest of the plugins and selected install, let us see if this time it works. It will install 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plugins. Okay, I wish to show you everything. Okay, again it is showing some critical error. It is not a problem, in fact. So the plugins are being installed, don't worry. And since it is a very first version of the theme, it may be rectified in the upcoming version. So you don't worry at all. You are going to get a complete website using this theme, and I am going to show you by doing all these things. So let us complete this installation. One click demo import. And again, I think only one is remaining now. Yes. So WP Classic Editor. Okay, MailChimp is also remaining. We are going to install this as well. Great. So MailChimp for WordPress. Okay, great. Wonderful. So let us check again. Two plugins that we left is remaining to install, and list of the plugins have been installed successfully. So what I'll do, I'll use the plugin files directly, and I'll upload the plugins from Add New Plugin, Advanced Custom Field Pro, and the PixFix Core. These are two plugins that we need to upload. I'll upload the plugin by choosing the file. Under bundled plugins, I have Advanced Custom Field Pro, installing it. Okay, great. So now again going to plugin installer screen for uploading only remaining plugin, that is PixFix Core. Upload plugin again. It's going to select the file. Under bundle plugin, I have this PixFix Core. Okay, great. So only last plugin was remaining and rest already installed. And at the next, I'm going to activate all the installed plugins. Again, it is going to be super simple, and we can do all this by clicking respective links. Done. And okay, so we have completed the installation of all plugins, and at this time we have to activate all the installed plugins. So we can simply go to the begin installing plugins. I can see all plugins has been installed successfully and only activate links are here. So I'm going to select all again and going to activate all the installed plugins. This is a single click activity and it is going to activate. Yes, all plugins has been successfully installed and activated, and we are here at the welcome page of Elementor. Coming back to the dashboard, and let us see how it works further. Now we have successfully installed the theme along with the plugin. Let us take another look of our website, how it looks now. Okay, so this is the look of website which don't have any demo content. At the next step, we have to import the demo content to make a target website. Of course, this is a demo website. We can create a demo website using the demo content. Okay, so let us proceed for importing the demo content, and under Appearance tab, I have this option to import the demo data. So I'm simply clicking on the import demo data, and at this screen, we have the option to go forward with the selection that we actually want as our target website. So here you can choose your desired website. I'm choosing the very first one, considering it the default one, just to demonstrate the complete functionality of this website. I'm going with this very first one, import demo, and at the next screen we can continue and import. Now the demo content import processes begin, and it is going to bring a complete website at our installation. But yes, we have to wait on this screen without hitting the back button, without refreshing the page. What we can check in a new tab by opening the media library, if we are getting images here, it means the demo import is working fine, and we just need to wait to get this complete website. So this is our target website. You can choose any of these three. So I have chosen this very first one. This is going to be a complete website with the internal pages, and this is about us page. Yes, it is also great. All the pages have been crafted very dedicatedly to the point, like services page, service details, project page, the pages, internal page, team, pricing. Like pricing is a page that can be really important for this project. This is pricing page, and this is a like customized pricing page, and further contact details and get a quote option is here. So let us wait for getting it complete, and we can expect a wonderful and complete website after this process gets over. Okay, so it just took around 3 minutes for me in getting this message. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. Wonderful. And now I'm going to refresh this page just to show you how many images was included in the demo content. And I can count it 118. Okay, wonderful. Now I'm equally eager to refresh this page to check our new website. I believe it should all fine, and it is loading and again loading. It may take a while in the very first load, but later it is going to work fine. And this is here. Perfect. All the elements we got in a single attempt of demo import without any trouble, without an error. We got this complete website. I'm going to show you some internal pages, and now speed is also fine. So this preloaded is something we can disable, and everything is fine and it is working great. So now we can conclude that we can choose this theme for Handyman services website, either be it electrical repairing services, the AC repairing services, or the car repairing services. We have got this complete website and we are fine with the installation, all working fine, and we got this wonderful website. Now you can go with this theme, and I'm going to show you the rest of the thing that we got in this installation very quickly so that you may get every idea about this thing. This is portfolio, where you have to maintain and add a new portfolio. However, nothing is there. Next, I'm going to show you only new things in addition to default WordPress theme. So nothing is new here, in fact. So all default things are here, and we can simply go with the Elementor page builder for editing the content, and I can see some options in the customize, I believe. And yes, so basic controls are here, like PixFix customizer, like header info, top bar switcher, and the header right off or back on the top. So basic things can be enabled or disabled. Get a code links can be changed from here. Basic things, header social, we can update the social things and the header settings. So we can upload the logos and the secondary logo and the even third logo. So it is great. So site info, like basic things, and the logo site, site on off, the information, basic information, and the social on off options. Great. And again, breadcrumb setting and the blog footer and the footer socials, all these basic settings you can simply explore. The typography you can change, and even I believe the colors you can change. So nothing is restricted. You can go with all these settings. And for editing the content at the website, you have to use the Elementor page builder. That is a super easy to use page builder, and you can simply edit the content using the Elementor page builder. Okay, just open the page that you want to edit, click on edit with Elementor, and you can simply edit the content. I believe this is going to be super easy, and you are going to do all these things. Just in case you have, if any question, any doubt you have, so you can write in the comment section, or you can start a chat with Mentor. Yes, so you can join the program. It is all for you. Just you need to buy the theme and start creating your website. And here is the Elementor. What you have to do, you can simply click on the area that you want to edit, and you can simply edit the images, text, and everything that you want. Actually, what you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text content, so that you will maintain the design integrity of the website. So all is working fine, everything is good, and we can simply start creating a wonderful Handyman services website using this PixFix WordPress theme. And I believe this video remained helpful for you. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.